Sometimes when you have trigonometric functions inside integral, that is, if the integrand is a trigonometric function, so some of the trigonometric identities can be used to our advantage to convert the integrand into easily integrable function. So 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos x. 2 cos square x by 2 is 1 plus cos x. 2 sin a cos b is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. 2 cos a sin b is sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. 2 cos a cos b is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. 2 sin a sin b is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So these are the formulas which you have already learned in your trigonometry. And whenever you have root of 1 plus sin x, you can write it as mod of sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2. Sorry, mod of sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2. And root of 1 minus sin x is mod of sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2. So these are some of the identities which you can use to your advantage to convert integrands into forms which are easily integrable. So let us take some standard examples of questions where identities are used.